Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today we're playing Story 1 Find Me. So this is a fan-made pop Playtime game. We're playing a lot of them at the minute. I have another one that should be coming out soon, but I haven't played it yet. It's not, the game's not out yet, but hopefully it'll be out soon. Put an image up, future me. A strange letter from a distant friend draws you into a long abandoned toy factory. Very short description. Very short indeed. I was hoping it would be longer. They're hiding something big. They're hiding something big. Find me. And then you have the poppy key from chapter 1, which is nice. Do we not have our grab pack? We should, because it's making noise. That jump sound effect shouldn't be there. This is actually really good so far. I really enjoy these hands. Okay, we can check this place out. Actually, I'm really enjoying this so far. So you're the big bad anyway, that's what I know. You have no tail either. You're from chapter 2. You're the exact same model from chapter 2. I really want this game to be canon for some reason. Can you move out of the way? No. I'd prefer it if you disappeared. Oh, I see. Is this a green hand? We'd be able to hop that. We can go up here, fall down. So this has to be made. I remember watching a video of this last night. It was really stupid. Thank you. Thank you for this absolutely loving. Oh, now everything makes sense. I don't like how laggy this is. Oh, it's gonna look so bad in video. Hopefully not. I can't model. Probably featured that game with model. I don't like how stuttery our jumps are. Oh no. Oh, pressurize it. Yes. I'm a genius. I saw him a second ago. So it's definitely Bron trying to eat us. I'm also ashamed that I know who Bron is because I'm 16 years of age. Oh, I see. You gotta come out this way. Activate powers, 1 of 3. So now we just go out through this area. And that door should be open, yes. We like it. It's very dark in here, I did not like that. Okay, we're just gonna leave because I don't think there's anything left in here. Yeah, no, this is. Holy shit. I forget we need you. I forgot where we were going. Actually, that was genuinely probably not as scary as the first Huggy Wuggy chase, but that's not even scary because I never liked that once. Alright, now we have more distance on him because... more distance. So he's right behind us. Wow, he is quick. Like, he's way faster than I thought he would have been. I'm gonna go this way, bro. What? Okay, just started with chicken. I don't know if we could survive that. To be continued. I want to go back to the main menu, or gonna kick me out. That was a game. Anyway, I've been here 27 minutes playing this game, and it took me 14 minutes to beat it. It's just that the fucking game tried to explode on me and not open a gate that was meant to open. So I rate this game a solid 5 out of 10. The gameplay is 10 out of 10. Everything's a 10 out of 10. It's just that one glitch just ruined my whole mood. Because I was there for like 10 minutes trying to just see if I could get past it and I couldn't. But other than that one glitch, I think the game is pretty good. If that glitch didn't happen, it'd be a 9 out of 10. Maybe even a 10. But, you know, that glitch did happen, which determined my rating to a 7 or a 5. 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. Subscribe.